In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use proxies in Davinci Resolve. First, we need to create proxies for your video clips. This is an essential step as proxies help streamline the editing process, especially when working with high-resolution footage. To begin, navigate to the Media page in Davinci Resolve. You can find this option at the bottom of the interface. Once you're on the Media page, you will see your project files and folders. This is your hub for managing media. It's crucial to have all your clips organized here before moving on. Next, select the video clips you want to create proxies for. You can do this by clicking on each clip while holding down the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows. This allows you to choose multiple clips at once. Once you've selected your desired clips, you are ready to right-click on them. This action opens a context menu that provides various options for managing your media. After right-clicking the clips, choose the option labeled Generate Proxy Media. This step triggers Davinci Resolve to start creating proxy files for your selected clips. It's important to understand that proxy files are lower resolution versions of your original media. This means that they require less processing power, making your editing experience much smoother. You'll see a progress bar indicating that Resolve is working on generating these proxy files. Once the proxy files are created, you will need to wait for Resolve to complete the process. Depending on the number of clips and their size, this might take a few moments. Be patient during this stage. Once finished, you will see a confirmation on your screen indicating that the proxy media has been successfully generated. This is a significant milestone as you've now optimized your clips for easier handling in the editing phase. Next up, we need to turn on the proxies. This is essential as it allows Davinci Resolve to utilize the proxy files during your editing sessions. To do this, navigate to the Edit page. You can switch to the Edit page by clicking on its tab at the bottom of the Davinci Resolve interface. This is where the real editing magic happens, and having proxies enabled will enhance your workflow. Once you're on the Edit page, click on the Playback option located in the top menu. This menu contains several important playback settings that control how your media is handled during editing. Here you'll find the proxy handling settings. It's important to ensure that these settings are correctly configured to optimize your editing experience. Now look for the option labeled Proxy Handling and select Prefer Proxies. By choosing this option, Davinci Resolve will prioritize using the proxy files instead of the original high-resolution media. This is beneficial because it significantly reduces the strain on your system resources. You will notice that the playback is smoother, making it easier to edit without lag or stuttering. With that ready, you are all set to start editing your project using the proxies you just created. This will help you maintain a smooth workflow, especially with larger files. Remember, using proxies is a best practice for any serious editing project. You can confidently dive into your editing, knowing that you've taken the right steps to optimize your experience. This concludes the tutorial on how to use proxies in Davinci Resolve. I hope you found these steps helpful and that they enhance your editing workflow. Happy editing!